Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today we're diving into composting with leaves, sawdust, and wood chips. Learn how these materials can boost your garden's health naturally. Let's get started. Leaves are rich in carbon and break down over time to create leaf mold. Leaf mold improves soil structure and enhances moisture retention. Sawdust and wood chips are excellent sources of carbon for your compost. Use them sparingly and always ensure they are from untreated wood to avoid chemicals. Avoid using sawdust from treated wood, as it contains harmful chemicals. Always use untreated wood. Here's how to add these materials effectively. First, start with a layer of leaves, add a thin layer of sawdust or wood chips, and mix with green materials like vegetable scraps. Second, turn and mix your compost regularly. And third, keep the compost moist but not waterlogged. Compost made from leaves, sawdust, and wood chips enriches the soil, improves structure, and enhances moisture retention. Composting with leaves, sawdust, and wood chips is an easy and effective way to boost your garden's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!